Right, so today I'm going to go through a fitness drill here, bit of a circuit, kind of thing we do on the Saturday classes. I'm going to do 5 different exercises, a set of 10 of each, and I'll do that 5 times through. I'll show you what I mean as we go. Okay, so I'm out here in the garden, just using things you might find in your garden, but don't worry if you haven't got any of these things, we can substitute for something else. Here, got a nice breeze block. It's not very heavy, but it works. If you haven't got one of them, you can use a book, big thick book, or if you've got a kick pad will do just as good. Okay, so I'll run through the exercises first, then I'll show you how you can adapt them to suit your ability level as well. Okay, so first one is going to do some press ups off the block. So I do a press up over here, like that, climb up, 2 hands on the block, climb down, press up here, climb back. So each one of them is 1, so this is 1, 2, 3. I'll do a total of 10 of them. Okay, so press up here, hands on here, press up here, set of 10 in total. Then pick up the block. I'm going to do some sit-ups and twisting. So from here I sit halfway up, twist twice, 1, 2, 3, 10 of them. Okay, then go for some squats and lifts. So I take the object, swing this way, do a squat and lift as I go. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. That's a chain of movement. So you do a squat and it makes your arms lift up. So from there, like you do with kettle weights really. Okay, so you've done your squats, then you take your block and you've got a choice now. You can do squat thrusts. I'll show you this side. So that's 2 knees in and out. You can do mountain climbers, which is alternate, or if you struggle with that, if you've got knee problems and hip problems, you can do straight leg boings like this to the side, set of 10. Okay, and lastly, pick it up, sprint on the spot, count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. Now as soon as you've done that, you come straight back to where you were, put your block down and start again. Okay, so I'll run through it, a couple of each as if I was doing a set of 10. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so first set, 1, 2, 3. Imagine I've done 10 of that. Flip over, 1, 2, 10 of that, 1, 2, 3, up to 10. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. 10, 9, 8, 10 seconds. Straight back down and I'll start again. Okay, so 5 times through. Each one of them 10 times. You get to this last sprint, that's set 1 done. Stick the object back on the ground, start set 2. So I would try to go 5 times through, 5 circuits through. Okay, now it depends where you are fitness wise. If you can't do that, do 3 times through. So that's the first modification you can make. There's a couple of other modifications you can make if you're struggling a little bit. So firstly, you can cut the numbers down. You don't have to do 10 of everything. Do what you can do. Okay, so maybe you're not as strong on the press ups, do 3 of them. Might be a bit strong on the sit ups, do 10 of them, you know, so you can work it that way. Okay, but I'll show you how I can adjust these press ups a little bit if you're not quite there yet. So firstly, you can just bend your arms slightly and climb up. That's it. So you're still getting some work done. And the other obvious one is you can put your knees down on the floor and you can do it that way. There, like that, okay? So next one is the sit-ups. You can modify that. If you're struggling to do the sit-ups with no one holding your feet, then just go to the half sit-up position here. So you're sitting up halfway and just twist. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, and again, do as many as you can do. Okay, comes to the squats. If you're struggling a little bit on the squats and knee injuries and things like that, you can do it without the weight to start with and just do a squat. And also, you just bend your knees a little bit. Instead of going for a full squat, you can just do that, like that. Okay, the squat thrust one we talked about there, so there's a few options there for the squat thrust section. And then obviously the sprinting on the spot, you do what you can do. Hopefully you should be able to make 10 seconds of sprinting on the spot. So when you've done your last set of sprints, you put the object down and you start again. And try and go 5 times through. So what I would do is I'll go 5 times through of that, take a 2-minute break and try 3 times through, or whatever your fitness level is. Okay, so you do it to your ability level. So one more time I'll show you so you know what you're doing, and I'll say it as I go what I'm doing. Okay, so it's press ups, 10 of these, 3, 4, 5, right up to 10. Okay, and we've got the sit ups and twists, 1, 2, right up to 10. We've got the squats and lifts, 1, 2, 3, right up to 10. Put it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, right up to 10. Sprinting, 1, 2, 3. As soon as I've done that, put it down, set 1 is complete, and I'll start on set 2. 1, 2, okay, 5 times through. So, got a nice circuit there you can go through. You can adapt it and modify it to suit your needs and your abilities. So just let me know how you're getting on with that. If you need any help and advice, we can sort something out, some alternative exercises you can do. Okay, so keep yourselves fit and strong. I'll hope to see you next time. We'll do another sparring technique video, a few drills you can work on without a partner as well. Okay, well, that had me going anyway.